Hi, my name is Eliza. I'm a marketing director for a nonprofit yoga studio, and I would rate MailChimp at about a 3 out of 5. I use MailChimp as a way of connecting with our clientele. In today's really busy, fast-paced world, it can be helpful to have this way to connect to people in their homes at their personal leisure. What I really like about MailChimp is that it's very easy to use. You can choose from a range of fonts and designs that work for you, and it's also integrated into other platforms that I use for my marketing and communication. What I think could be improved about MailChimp is the lack of design features. For example, there's not as many fonts on MailChimp as there are on other e-newsletter platforms, and it's not as easy to create a super unique product for your particular company or brand.